The FR-E800 inverter is equipped with a powerful, industry-first TSN network called CC-Link IE TSN, which allows a tremendous amount of data to be collected and processed. What is more, each data point has a timestamp. This way, inverters become data points for advanced data processing. They provide various information on its own operations, as well as on the monitors that they control. The FR-E800 inverter monitors its load in real time in order to simplify maintenance and identify early issues with equipment. The inverter's configuration software is equipped with AI-based diagnostics tools, so inverter data doesn't have to be sent to the cloud in order to understand faulty behaviors. E800 also has additional cybersecurity features such as IP filtering, which allows only selected connections. Summary: CC-Link IE TSN with timestamp and huge bandwidth, advanced corrosion sensors, monitoring of faulty loads, enhanced cybersecurity.